My video tutorial is about getting rid of the fake survey alerts by the website Ifwavemake.live. Ifwavemake.live is a dangerous site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. This site tries to trick you into sharing your personal data, for example, name, surname, email address, and other details. If you see these pop-ups by Ifwavemake.live, do not ever interact with them because such pop-ups are totally fake. Don't trust them. Don't share your personal data through these deceptive pop-ups. Instead, just leave this page. Also, I recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner is available for the majority of popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, iOS, and so on. And use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the program, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect and eliminate other threats which could possibly still remain on your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.